Kublai pi baro kini longi kubor bam tagasngi. Menteri Rangba Kejela ukonrat ke sangma kasngi thok ding ula pelat bat ba ya ke projek ban kentiu ya ke jing ya king Lieng balatip kum ka rafting kaya king hawa umtro ha ke shillong white water village kabadon ha ke shnong tham ribhoi district. Habasam ya kidur bayashon ha Twitter ukonrat ula penbena da ka batho ngila pelat ya ke projek ban kentiu ya ke jing ya le kai rafting hapo Kejela menta kasngi hashnong tham ribhoi. Kajingero kabakrao ya karibhoy rafting tourism cooperative society halor kajing persang baklam shongthan ban ai jing hikai ban penpaunam ya kani kajingele kai ba is irbha hapring ki samla kajilla ulaong Chief Minister ulaong ru ba ukmen bantip baki traishnong kathan kilaya shimbanta ha ki limpung ya king Lieng hapo kari bat shabari ru kumju ban pen i ka sap jongki sha ka prthei Ula kula ru baka sorkar jilla kala kut jingmut ban ai ke jing kershan ya ka rafting cooperative and tourism society bat banang kentiu syuk ya ka ne ka jing yele kai sha ka weipat ka kerdan.
The flight not long. The flight not long.
Thanks.
Okay, guys, so champions, the cream of the cream of extreme kayaking have come here to Meghalaya. And of course, they've not come just to kayak here. So the other rivers in Meghalaya are what draws them to the Pinchi and Bakri, Plie, and rivers like that. That's what draws them to Meghalaya. These extreme waterfalls and excitement. It's a very challenging whitewater in Meghalaya.
We are here to launch the kayaking program from the government side, and you can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country, and maybe in one of the few in the whole world. Hence the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really high, and this of course has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years, but there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sport for adventure sports, but it also is a sports that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that, also this could be an area of very high-end tourism, where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that is possible in this kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for, and I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success.